Good morning. In this class, I am explaining about classification of element based on electronic configuration. In examination, the question may be asked like this: write an essay on S, P, D and F block element. First, electronic configuration of lithium. Atomic number is 3 and electronic configuration is 1s2. 2s1 and atomic number of boron is 5. Electronic configuration of boron is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. See here, differentiating electron. The electron which enters lastly into an element is known as differentiating electron. See here, in lithium, differentiating electron enters into s orbital. In boron, it enters into p orbital. Based on orbitals into which differentiating electron enters, elements are classified as S, P, D and F block element. So this is periodic table. We have 4 blocks of element. One is S block. S orbital can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons. So it consists 2 groups of element. Next, p orbital can accommodate 6 electrons, so it consists 6 groups of elements. And d orbital can accommodate 10 electrons, it consists 10 groups of elements. Next, 10 groups of elements. Next, f orbital can accommodate 14 electrons. Next, f block consists 2 series of elements. Each series consists 14 elements. Now I am going to explain the properties of these blocks of element in tabular format. Here I taken 4 vertical columns. The first heading is differentiating electron entering orbital or block and groups present in that block and general outer electronic configuration and properties of element present in that block. First, S block. In this block, we have 2 groups. First group, that is alkali metal. General electronic configuration is NS1. See here, electronic configuration of lithium is 1s2, 2s1. Here it is NS1, here it is 2s1. Next, second group. These are known as alkaline earth metals and general outer electronic configuration is NS2. See here, example beryllium, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. See here, 2s2. Now, properties of element present in this group: high reactive metals with low ionization energy. Next, metallic character and reactivity increase down the group. See here, this top of the group, this is down the group, down the group, this down of the group, down the group. So when we come from top to bottom, down the group, metallic character and reactivity increase in S block. Now P block elements. In this we have 13th to 18th group of elements. See here, 13th group, the general electronic configuration is NS2 NP1. Example boron, it has 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Here it is 2p1, it is np1. Okay. Next, from 13th to 18th group, ns2 is common. For 14th, additional np2. For 15th, it is np3 and so on. And 16th group elements are known as chalcogen. 17th group elements are known as halogens. 18th group elements are known as noble gases or inert gases. In neon present in 18th group and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. See here it is np6. Now properties of these elements: 16th and 17th group elements have high negative electron gain enthalpies. Next, non-metallic character increases from left to right. See here, this is left, this is right. From left to right across the period, non-metallic character increases. So from 13th to 18th non-metallic character increases. Next, metallic character increases down the group. Down the group, metallic character increase in p block elements. Next, S and p block elements are commonly known as representative elements or main group elements. Now, D block elements. These elements are known as transition elements. In this block, we have 3 to 12 groups of elements and their general electronic configuration is N-1, D1 to 10 and S2. Example, electronic configuration of scandium. Scandium atomic number is 21, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and the outer general electronic configuration is 4s2, 3d1. See here, fourth shell is the outer shell and last electron is entering into N-1, that is 4 minus 1 is equals to 3d1. Okay. Next, 12th group elements zinc, cadmium and mercury do not show properties of transition element because in zinc and cadmium mercury their N-1 d orbital is fully filled, so they do not show transition element properties. Now, properties of elements, all are metals, mostly forms colored ions. Next, often used as catalysts. Next, exhibit variable oxidation states and paramagnetism. Now, last one, F block elements. See here, its general electronic configuration, outer electronic configuration is N-2, F1 to 14, N-1, D1, 0 and NS2. Differentiating electron entering into N-2 F block, F orbital. So these elements are known as inner transition element. In this block, we have two series of elements. First series lanthanides. In this, cerium 58 to lutetium 71 up 14 elements are present. So atomic number of cerium is 58 and atomic number of lutetium is 71. In second series is actinides. These are known as radioactive elements. In this, thorium 90 to lawrencium 103, 14 elements are present. Regarding the properties, all are metals and see here, elements of a group show similarities in properties. Elements of a group show similarities in properties. But in F block, we have two series. Within each series, the properties of elements are quite similar. In this case, properties of element present in series are quite similar. And elements of the uranium are known as or called as trans-uranium elements. Okay. In subsequent classes, I am going to explain why the groups are given the names. Example, first group is given alkali metals and 17th group is given halogens and some other properties like here ionization energies and electron gain enthalpies I will explain in subsequent classes. With this, I am concluding this class.